Uh, Hello? What are you doing? Why? Blomke, Yfke, that's Boukje. No, stop it. Why? And there's Belle. Uh, Blomke, Yfke, Boukje, Blomke en Belle. Hey, Tyrone. I think he likes it with the ladies. Bella and Blomke. Well, hello. This is Tyrone. We did ride, and we couldn't ride for a couple of, days, weeks, because there was a lot of snow. My other hand, that's better. But when a horse can't ride for a couple of days, they are a bit frisky. Tyrone also was a bit frisky, but I think it was fine. Yeah, I couldn't film because I didn't trust it. Oh, my whip. Oh, braaf. Oh, there it is. I always do it like that. Come. I also. Oh, there's Bauke. What's that? Ah, that's sweet. An apple. Here. Yes. Thanks, Bauke. Thursday. Now it's Monday. I was driving in my car and I got out of my car and I had a sore back. A lot of back pain. So I still have for 5 days now. So I thought maybe when I ride a horse it's going to be better. Because when I had a lot of pain after my accident and also before that because of the rheumatism, I always was going to ride. Just sit on a horse and move, and so that was always helping. So I thought I'm going to ride, and I think it helps. Always when I'm riding a horse, I have more feeling in my leg because after my accident, I have a lot of pain on that side, above my hip, my SE. But when I'm riding, I feel more in my leg. So I like riding, so I get my feeling back. Okay. So I thought I have a lot of pain in my lower back, and I think it's better now. Well, it's not perfect yet, but I think, yeah, it feels better. So everybody with pain in his back, go ride horses. It helps. Yes. Aww. But when a horse is a bit frisky, it's a bit dangerous. Because when the Tyrone wants to jump away and my body goes dead, it does a lot of pain. And I still feel it when I move like that. But okay. Well, we go inside. Bye. Okay. My back still hurts. Dolly, I separated Dolly again from Rijntje because in a couple of days Dolly goes somewhere else. More of that later. This is Belle, and over there, hello, there, Blomke, Yfke, and Boukje. Good so. And I want to bring the ponies in, but my back still hurts, and I can't do my shoes, so it's not over yet. I have to ride more, I think. Yes. There's Flanny again, and there's Pete again. Daisy and Glendy. Like always, Daisy is going to pee in that stall. Peach. En Glendy. Rijntje. En Dolly. Yes, that's enough, Dolly. And Sally. Oh, Sally's a bit dirty. Sorry. She rolled in the sand. Peach en Belle. Yfke. Goed zo. Blomke en Boukje. Hey Blomke. Hey. Goed zo Belle. Hallo? Hey Boukje. Ah. Blomke. Okay. Nou, bakje.
Ja,
Goed zo.
dat is een bakje.
Dat is dat die, hè?
Nee, misschien kan ik nog bij te winnen.
Dan ooit eerder, want dan hebben we een beetje serré. Oh, oké. Goed zo. Ja.
Farm boy, huh? Full of power.
Hey Dolly, good morning. There's Yfke, her big sister, and I planning something to do with Yfke. And I needed a rope. It was there, and then Dolly came. Hello? Hello Dolly. Hello Bouke. Yfke's huge. And she's looking good. Yeah. That is that. So that. Good so. Okay. Good. Ah. Good so. Okay. Good so. Need that. No, that. Good so. Okay. Good so. Ah. Good so. Ah. Good so. Ah. Good so. Alles? Okay. Goed zo. Straks zijn we strakker. Nog wel zitten. Nee, goed zo. Ja, goed zo. Ja. Lekker mee in je boot. Ah, goed zo. That's it. That's it. Okay, this is going good. She's here now for, well, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I try to I try to lose her, let her walk in the stall. That's it? Okay. I think I have to take off the strings. There they are. No. I really thought she would have been a bit scared of it or something. That's it? Okay, perfect.
Het is ook best leuker om naar te zien.
Well, there's Belle again. And now I take off the Girth. Goed zo, Yfke. Well, next time again. Yay! They can go that way again. Boukje. Yfke. Belle. En Lunge. Boukje. Yfke. Lunge. Belle. Sally. Goed zo, braaf. Goed zo, Sally, braaf. Draf. Braaf, goed zo. Braaf. Oh, stappen. There's my dad. He's working on the house. Rijn. Hey, Rijsie. There's Yfke. Rijntje chases away the others. There's Sally. Oh, Rijntje. Hey, Tyrone. And Dolly. And Rijsie. And here I have some salt. Hey, Dolly. Goed zo, Rijsie. I thought I'd train him like this again. And he's doing very good. And I don't wear the boots because they were all wet from the snow last week. Didn't dry good. So I thought this is okay. Come. Braaf, Rijsie. Oh, stappen. Goed zo. Draf. Draf. Goed zo. Goed zo, Rijsie. Just with one hand. Goed zo. Draf.